There's so much talent in Jamaica and we want to find them. Who's the next big thing?
Another star on the horizon, you know we'll find them. Tamo J, what going brother?
Aye, there bro.
Yo,
there, level up.
That I go on. We see the leveling. But first of all, tell us 3 words to describe your music for those who are not aware.
Alright, so Tamo J is first and foremost unique. See, very different. And I would say, what you say now? Sweet, the voice, sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet, yeah man.
Yeah man, I have to go on. I mean, as me just tell you a while ago, I will a reason off camera where I say, yo, a lot of the elder them, a lot of the greats in the business respect you already.
Yes, sir. Yeah man.
You know what I mean? Mikey Bennett for one, you know what I mean? Him speak very highly of you.
Yeah man,
you know
legendary.
What I mean? Tell me a little bit about your musical background, because you know, so them have you as musical as
yes,
well. You're versatile.
Yes man, we do everything man. Big up Uncle Mikey Bennett, Grafton Studios. That's where the journey really started. Songwriting. I figured out. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. Uncle Mikey, big up yourself, man. At the musical hub. We start the songwriting for a whole heap of people. Sean Paul. Some things I never have known I could do, because my things say, alright then, I just sing song. But we did a whole heap of production, with a whole heap of background work, so people know the talent, and I say, you, anytime you boss, you can know. At the level up, man. So yeah, big up Uncle Mikey.
That I go on. We see I did the thing like from all angles, you know what I mean? We see I did the recording, we see you in the streets I promote as well too. You know what I mean?
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Presence.
Yeah, how has that been going?
Boy, it's a great look. Jenna Productions, which is my management team and the label that I'm signed to. We're really active right now. We've been doing a lot of interviews, podcasts, we do cooking, everything Jenna. Yeah man, we're fully active man. We've been in the streets promoting right now. We do some PR and get level up to the level that it needs to be. At the Tamo J active.
Tell me about the hairstyle that you do.
Yo, the people, the ladies love it.
Yeah. Well, the people them love it.
Nah man, the ladies different to it.
Very identifiable, you know?
Yeah, unique, you see it. So Tamo J, so the branding, you understand?
Yeah.
Trademark, the brand, you see it?
Where you get the idea?
You know, say really and truly, I just missed you know. I feel like it was destined, because can't explain it. The energy, powerful, so up.
What's the reactions you get?
Oh, crazy reactions, man. You have people, some people see it, females especially. Oh my God, I don't like it here. And then 2 minutes later, they want to touch it. And I say, careful, because full of energy, understand? So it's just different reactions, mixed reactions. And then we have a lot of branding. We have hats, shirts. So when people see the face on the hat and the shirt, they must say, yo, bad. And the image. Yeah, so it connect, man.
That's like one. You've been at it for a little while now, right?
Yeah, man. We've been actively, from about 2015, with Uncle Mikey, we're actively.
Because it's not an overnight success.
No, man. The level up look overnight, but trust me, cake take time for bake, is it?
Yeah, that's like man. Talk to me now about the level up.
Listen, level up right now are the single, bro.
Yeah, so talk to me a little bit about the single. How the single come about? It's you say self-produced by your management team.
Yeah, man. Boom Rich Productions. Boom Rich, big up yourself, G. Zine. Boom Rich Productions and Jenna Productions. That was a really collaborative effort. Everybody, the whole team was active. Terminal 4 with the video production, big up on yourself again. Trust me, that day, miraculous, man. When we say manifest everything in our life. The mind is very powerful. So if you say level up, you have to level up. Especially if your energy is of a level up energy.
Yeah.
If you feel depressed and down, you're gonna stay down. So we say level up.
How did it come about? Was it the rhythm you get first? What inspired the single?
Yo, that single. Alright, so as I said, big up Boom Rich again. I went to Richie Stevens single launch, Valley. Uncle Richie, big up yourself, because Richie Stevens always encourage Tamo J. And Boom Rich see me and say, yo, youth, I hear your thing them, you know. I want to do some work, I send you a bad rhythm. But when you catch it, I don't want you to sing anything. I say, alright then. About 2 weeks pass and I say, I'm listening to rhythm, man. As I listen to the song, man. Call me Tyson the Mount of Fight, when man fight. Just come out, man. I say, alright, I hit. Yeah, man. Powerful, man. So that song there, strictly inspirational, real life energy. You see it, level up.
And speaking of inspirational, who has been some inspirations for you creatively?
Jano, alright, first and foremost, I go shout out Buju Banton.
God, man.
Nah, man. I want to tell about the Ganga man scene. So growing up in the Adventist church. I couldn't listen to secular music. So one song my mother would make me listen. I'm a living while I'm living to the Father I will pray. That was my first song. So Buju Banton, big up yourself, see?
To Shiloh, man.
King Beanie Man. I'm a little boy. I'm just come from England and there Jamaica. Beanie Man, all me I hear was Sim Simma. That was the first dancehall song me ever catch and dance to. So King Beanie Man, big up yourself. Them say me look like him too, you know.
Yeah!
King, big up yourself, man. Yeah man. So them are my two real Jamaican influences.
Yeah.
Would have said make me even decide to do music for sing, cause me I sing from church days. But for pursue a career in music, definitely Buju and Beanie Man for sure. The greatest collab that I have done so far, I would say, was with Beanie Man. Yeah man, I have 2 singles with Beanie Man, bigger Europe.
Wow.
Yeah man, some.
What was it like working with, you know what I mean, one of your idols?
Oh gosh man, listen, as me reach at the studio, they must say, no, come take that picture, cause you look like Beanie when you're younger. Peer picture, they must say, no, Beanie. I said, no, listen, and they're not going to the history, cause I'm gonna come from Jews now. But trust me man, it was a great vibe man. Trust me, I've been doing summer sizzle, the road shows with Beanie Man and his team, so we're very familiar with the team. So being in the studio was like another day. Because the stage show them always mad. So in the studio, no different. Beanie Man and the king of the dancehall for real. The man of this ear with him and start sing.
Yeah.
Music.
The man that live it, man.
Man say, Tamo, chorus. Find it. Yeah man, big up King Beanie Man.
And lastly now, Tamo J, tell the people what most makes Tamo J intense.
Woo! Aye, unique sound. Woo! Aye.
Star is born, Tamo J.
Active bro. Intense, what you say?
Yo, what?
That is
Level up.